lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be BOXYCHARM unboxing. Excited for today's box because I have seen a lot of different variations of this month's box, and I'm super happy with the stuff that are being put into this box. As you can see, I am barefaced, so I'm going to be putting these products onto my face. I miss doing these videos. I know I have not. I've been doing really bad actually. But I just really feel like BOXYCHARM is just getting so overrated. Everybody's jumping on the BOXYCHARM bandwagon. Not that it's a bad thing. It's good. Like, you're doing a good thing by jumping into the bandwagon. But I just feel like it's not really necessary for me to really even film this video anymore. But that's just how I feel sometimes. So like when I do get the chance and when I do get the box a little early like I did this month, I do want to show you guys the products that I got in here and test it on my face and let you guys know how I feel about it, create a look. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys don't know BOXYCHARM, of course, this is a beauty subscription box, and BOXYCHARM honestly is the best hands down subscription box ever. They just have the best variation of different things. You don't ever really get a repeat offender, you know? So I really do enjoy my BOXYCHARM. The sad thing about this is that they did raise it up by $4. So it is now $25 for just the base box, which is okay for me. It's just like I said, it's just $4 more. The value of the box are climbing up as well, so they are including some more pricey stuff into the box now as well. So I do understand why they did up the price of the box. They were one of the brands that was able to provide us with good quality products for like for a low price. But it is what it is. I'm still going to enjoy my box, and I'm still going to enjoy unboxing it for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my box and me create a look with the stuff inside my box, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Alright, inside this box we have this lovely, beautiful box. Inside of this box is this little pink color inside, which is really, really nice. The box did get a little bit bigger. As I said, it's $25 now, so it did get a little bit bigger. Let's first jump into the BOXYCHARM little pamphlet here. So we have the BOXYCHARM theme. We always have a monthly theme, which is Stellar, BOXYCHARM Stellar. And then on here we have the different products. And then we also have a 30% on Natasha Denona, a Safari palette, Sunset palette, and eyeshadow palette 28. Use code ND and BOXYCHARM PNOV. So yeah, if you guys want 30% off Natasha Denona, these are some beautiful palettes and they are pricey. So 30% off, that is a really good deal. But we also have one for Dragon Beauty. If you guys know Nikita Dragon, she does have her own beauty brand. And if you guys want 15% off your next purchase over $80, go use code BOXYDRAGON. Alright, so I also have it on here so you guys can see the first product in here, which is Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This is really unique applicator here. Squeeze a little bit. Just squeezing it. Oh, yeah, got the product right there. Alright, oh, I'm just going to put it right on here. I just squeezed product. Oh, this feels really nice. I love this applicator. It's like perfect for like right underneath, like especially in those corners. Yeah, this is nice. I don't know. I have to go researching how to use this product. I don't want to use up my product, you know. It just feels really nice. Massaging underneath my eyes. You know, under your eyes is just so sensitive. Like, it just feels really nice when you put like stuff on there. Obviously, I'm not really sure how, you know, this is gonna work yet. So yeah, that is the first product. This one retails for $50 already, so that's already pretty pricey, you guys. So for $25, $50 product inside, that's pretty good. We're going in with this Glassy Skin Balm from Touch and Soul. This was in my previous BOXYCHARM box. I'm just going to apply some of this primer onto my face first. Oh, yeah. Just need some hydration, you know. We are going to prime the eyes with the P. Louise base. We are going in next with the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm really excited for this palette. Oh my god, aren't those shades just so gorgeous? I did want to go in with this gray shade. This is called Zero Gravity.
Last night my fake ID got stolen. I dropped my phone, cracked the screen. Roommate just smoked all my weed. My life's a mess.
Then I want to go in with Black Matter. Just this nice purplish, grayish, smoky, glittery shade. And I'm just going to put that more towards the outer corner. Towards the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going in with Eternal Light. This is the eyes for now. It's a nice gray smoky look, which I'm really liking. The Celestial Thunder palette is retailing for $35. Nice, beautiful palette. I love the shades in there. I love the way it performed on the eyes. Next we have is this cosmetic sponge. It looks really similar to the Beauty Blender. So I do have a Beauty Blender right here, and the shape of it looks really similar. This is actually from Illuminati. Here I have my Beauty Blender. Then this is the one from Illuminati. This is the sponge wet. I did also wet this one as well. As you can see, it's a little bit wider than the Beauty Blender. It's shaped the same, but it's definitely a little bit wider. It does not feel as soft, like the touch of it does not feel the same at all. But I do love trying out different sponge applicators, so yeah, let's go ahead and give this a go. This cosmetic sponge retails for $21, and it's even more pricier than the Beauty Blender. I really do like my Beauty Blender more. I got this undercover lightweight concealer from Pretty Vulgar. BOXYCHARM is thinking of starting to send us like complexion products, like foundation and concealers. So which is exciting. I love trying concealers and foundations, so I'm excited for that. So I'm just gonna pick from these three shades here. I'm usually towards the light to medium, so I'm gonna go with that one. Okay, yeah, this is actually a little bit darker, but I think it goes well with my complexion. Like, it looks like my normal color. But usually for concealer, I like a lighter color. I am going back into the eyes and going back into Zero Gravity for the lower lash line. Also going in with Black Matter, just to make it a smoky look. Sisters are calling. Alright, after ending my call with my sisters, I am done with my eyes. So pretty much added some lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Lily. And I added this beautiful shade Eternal Light onto the inner corners of my eyes. And we are about to be done with this look. I have a highlighter and then lipstick. So let's go with the highlighter first because that's just the way I do my makeup. This is from Milk Makeup. This is the holographic stick, a best-selling holographic cream highlighter stick packed with meteorite powder for a prismatic glow on cheeks, lips, and eyes. This retails for $28. Nice full-size product. Okay. I definitely see some purple there. It's a nice look if you are trying to go for that galactic look. I think it will look really nice because you could definitely see it on my cheekbones. But I do want to add a little bit of glitter, so I'm going in with this Eternal Light shade. I'm just going to add a little bit of that on my cheekbones as well, just to test it out. I'm just going to put some glitters. There we go. I got some glitters. I feel like this is like a topper. More like a topper than like an eyeshadow. Just this glitter. And then we're going to end this look with the lips. We know Dose of Colors. Got Dose of Colors. This was made specifically for BOXYCHARM, but I believe that Dose of Colors is also going to be selling this. So it's in the shade Date Night. It's a beautiful red. Alright guys, so this concludes my makeup look using the products and my BOXYCHARM for this month. I really did enjoy the products. I think the only thing that I did not really enjoy was the sponge and the Milk Makeup holographic highlighter stick, because personally this is not really something that I do like to use for highlighter. I do prefer powder. But it is a really pretty color, so I may give it away or I may just try it out some more, you know. I do want to give it a chance. But other than that, I really did enjoy these products. I am going to do some calculations for this month's box. So we have $35 for Dominique Cosmetics. Then we have $50 for Juice Beauty, and then the Dose of Color lipstick was $18. And then the cosmetic sponge was $21, and then the Milk Makeup holographic stick was $28. And we have a value of $152 in this month's box, which is really, really great. I'm always an advocate for BOXYCHARM, so I highly recommend you all to definitely check out this subscription, subscribe to it. $25 a month. There's just so much things happening on BOXYCHARM. They have a BoxyLuxe subscription and they also have a premium, so they just have a lot of different things. So definitely check out their website, read up on it, and go follow them on Instagram. They have a lot of updates on there as well, so definitely check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks guys.